Good morning, everyone. It's the 22nd. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, it's 5 minutes to 6 in the morning. We've got some earthquakes, not many, just about 10. That's a good thing, all right? Things are quieting down, maybe. All right, a 3.9 Argentina at 69 miles in depth, 4.1 in China at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.0 Mexico at 6.8 miles in depth, and no, USGS didn't put that on. There was a 4.2 Turkey, Syria, Iraq border region, and that was at 1.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.8 Tonga Island at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 2.8 Alaska Peninsula at 39 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 Northern Alaska at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 near the coast of Northern California at 0.1 miles in depth. That's all I have for right now, guys. I guess that big list last night covered most of it. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you enjoy your football games and your turkey and your pumpkin pie. That's my favorite. The stuffing, the pumpkin pie. Yes, my favorite. Sweet potato casserole also. All right, you guys have yourself an awesome day. God bless you. Please be safe. Thank you so much for watching. 2 thumbs up for you guys.